Hello again, everybody. So in this video, I'm just going to show you quickly how to connect to two different devices that are installed under your piano. And those devices are that little MD-BTO1, which gives you access to the digital part of PianoStream, which means you'll have a bunch of solo piano songs if you use this device and your Disclavier or your Prodigy, Piano Disc Prodigy. And this device is probably installed under your Disclavier or your Piano Disc Prodigy. This device right here is an analog audio receiver, and this works with the analog part of PianoStream, and this is a digital MIDI receiver, which works with the digital part of PianoStream, okay? So these are two receivers that I normally install on Disclavier Inspire pianos, okay? And actually quite often on Piano Disc Prodigy as well, especially this Bluetooth device, okay? So let me just go back to PianoStream. So this right here is the analog interface, and long story short, this gives you vocals, okay? This is the digital side of PianoStream, and it gives you a bunch of solo piano. And so anyway, let me show you how to, first of all, use the analog. Let's say you have a Disclavier Inspire and you want to listen to piano plus audio. Well, first of all, let's make sure the volume on the side of your device is up like that, okay? Let's touch this little AirPlay icon right there, and let's connect to that hockey-looking device that I just showed you. In my case, in this case, I named it Piano Speaker. Okay, so I'm going to connect to it. Now I'm connected to it, and now notice how the AirPlay icon is blue. See that? Now touch the little notes, bottom right-hand corner, and touch the three dots up at the top, and let's touch select your piano, okay? In this particular case, I am working with a Yamaha Disclavier, so I'm just gonna touch that, okay? And I'm gonna touch show all Disclavier songs. So there's some Disclavier solo stuff right here, but here's the Disclavier piano plus audio. And this is what I really want right now. So I'm just gonna select Elton John, for example, okay? Now, this isn't gonna play right because I'm recording, and that's why you can hear that fax sound. I'm recording right now, and so that's why the piano isn't playing. But if I weren't talking and recording right now, you would be listening to Someone Saved My Life Tonight by Elton John. Now remember, this volume control right here controls the volume of the speaker. It does not affect the volume of the piano. Adjust the piano volume using the little volume up and down buttons on the little control unit, which is under the piano on the left-hand side. You know, the little box that has the power switch. So that is how you connect to your Disclavier. Now let's play like you have a piano disc system. Let's touch the notes again, and we need to send the correct signal. So let's say you have a brand new Piano Disc Prodigy or Piano Disc IQ. Touch those dots, select your piano again. This time touch Piano Disc. Okay, and I'm just going to touch show all piano disc songs. So now you have a ton of solo stuff right there. But if you keep going all the way down, you'll see a bunch of piano disc piano plus audio. So you could touch, for example, Fantastic Library. Now, these songs, now you hear that fax sound again. Now what you're doing is you're transferring or transmitting this information, this song, and the information that the keys need to play to that little hockey puck device again. And this makes your Piano Disc Prodigy or Piano Disc IQ play. Okay, so once again, you just have to send the correct signal to your piano. Let's say you have a piano quarter system. Well, just touch the notes, and this time touch the three dots, touch select your piano, and touch piano quarter. Okay, and I'm going to touch show all piano quarter songs. Now there are a bunch of piano quarter songs. I can touch one of these stations and send that data to my piano quarter, and the piano's going to play, okay? So now let's switch over to the digital side. But just as a quick review, once again, the analog connects to that device right there, the little hockey puck. It's a Wi-Fi audio receiver. Now we just switched over to the digital side of the piano, and we're going to connect to that little MIDI receiver right there, that MD-BTO1. So let's go back to the digital part of PianoStream right here, okay? So now, I'm gonna disconnect this AirPlay thingy for now, okay? So I'm no longer connected to that hockey puck device. Now I'm on the digital side of PianoStream. And I want to connect to that little digital dongle that I just showed you, which is called an MD-BTO1. Touch the little Bluetooth thingy right there. And I named that MD-BTO1 piano. So just go ahead and touch it. And just wait a few seconds. Sometimes it takes a minute for it to connect, okay? And when I hit done, let's see if it's still there. And to be perfectly honest with you, I actually would disconnect it, and especially if this is the first time that you've connected, and then connect again. And let's just wait like 30 seconds for everything to just kind of gel, okay? The app is talking with that MD-BTO1 right now. Okay, once we've waited just a few moments, hit done, okay? And there you go. See the check mark, how it's selected piano Bluetooth? I named that little device piano. And notice how the check mark is next to piano. So we are now ready to transmit to the piano. So hit OK. Now hit the notes, bottom right-hand corner, and here are all the stations. And just for the heck of it, let's just touch recently added. Let's add all of those songs. And the piano probably will play right now, even though I am recording. But let's just see if it will as I'm talking, and hopefully it won't mess up this recording. Okay, it's working. Very cool. Okay, let me pause that. Okay, so that's how that works. I hope that made sense, and I hope that this helps. And I will make a more in-depth tutorial of this app later. But for now, once again, I wanted to make this just for people who already have those two devices, the little hockey puck Wi-Fi audio receiver and the little Bluetooth MIDI receiver, as in these two devices. Once again, this video is for people who already have those installed so that you can use the analog part of PianoStream and get vocals with that device, and use the digital part of PianoStream to get a bunch of solo piano with that MD-BTO1, okay? All right, and remember also that you can go to this help page by touching that little question mark, and then you can see some of this stuff. I need to update this page, but it does have a whole bunch of information, and feel free to send me a message if you need to. Okay, thank you, everybody. We'll see you later. And let me figure out how to stop this recording now. Oh, right there.